Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing the sage green duck nails. I've actually done a set like this in black and it was very popular. A lot of people requested it and I had a client come and she wanted it in sage green and I just knew it was going to be so pretty. So first I'm going in with my cuticle bit and then I'm following behind with my sanding band.
Cause baby it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to.
So now for the tips, I'm using some regular clear duck tips from Amazon. I'll link them in the description box. And my biggest tip for applying tips for duck nails is make sure that the tips go from sidewall to sidewall. Like, you don't want to use a too small tip and force it down on the nail because it'll pop off. So it's important to make sure you're sizing the tips correctly. And then I'm just going to blend the tips for a seamless application.
Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none by run, baby, bye.
So now I'm prepping the nails with Young Nail Swipe and Primer.
Need your heart to see. I just need the air you one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me.
When I'm laying acrylic for duck nails, I like to swipe the tip with a little bit of monomer so it can help the acrylic bead like spread to each side of the tip. Since it's not going straight down, it has to go to the sides as well. And as you can see, I'm like using the body of my brush to spread the acrylic to the sides, so it helps it like cover it in one bead. Normally the first bead sets the foundation. I typically use only 2 beads for duck nails since I don't usually do extra long. And as you can see, I place the bead above where the natural nail meets the nail tip, and that's going to help with building the structure as well.
Respect all that you hate, you reflect all that God like you forget how to love somebody. I ain't everybody, I ain't everyone. Let's talk about AI. Hope I got more hype than night. Hope I got future, I won't. Hope I can sleep at night. Don't bow me down. I'm wide open, I'm on win. I'm on autopilot. I'm out of my mind. I'm wide open. Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and ask you with laughter? Can you leave me to the awkward password? I need humanity. You're like humanity. Don't need humanity. Craving humanity. You're like humanity. I need humanity. I need.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed.
When it comes to hand filing duck nails, you want to be as light-handed as possible because the more that you file, the more slim the shape is going to be. So depending on how wide or slim your clients want their nails, just make sure you're being very light-handed. Otherwise, it'll look like a wide square versus a duck shape.
Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the thing.
Here I'm just making the edges crisp again. And you always want to flip your client's hand around on this step. It doesn't really show it in the video, but I definitely turn my client's hand around and make sure it's straight from both my angle and hers.
Feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. And how it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me.
So for the color I used for this set, I basically had to mix some colors together to get the color that she wanted. I ended up mixing Valentino's number 82 and some black gel and white gel to kind of smooth out the color to become like a sage light green that she wanted. And if you're wondering what brush I'm using, it's a 12mm detailer brush from Acrylic and Co. And honestly, I use a lot of her brushes, so if you see me using a brush, it's probably from her brand.
When you give me with that dick all up my backside, I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, ain't wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Bitch is big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I tore that biz like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off the line and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beats. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling.
For the flowers, I took some white gel and a dotting tool, and I made 3 little dots like you see me do here in sections, and then I just make lines connecting. It's really easier to see me do it than for me to explain, but I just connect the sides to the 3 dots, and then I just draw little random lines until it looks like a pretty flower.
Take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. Okay. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. Where I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away.
Here I'm dabbing some hot pink pigment into the center of the flowers and just smoothing out the edges for an ombre effect.
Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a calm and red. rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
This is the final look for the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.